Welcome back to C Academy. Today I come up with a new video. In here I am going to show you how to make a CV. This video is very important to job seekers because we know when we are applying for the job for the new company, we need to make a professional CV. This is the best video for you. I am going to show you how to add element, how to add your data, and also how to make a format. Let's go to the video step by step. I will show you how to do that. So let's go to the video. Before we are going to video, hit the subscribe button. Let's go. Okay guys, let's go to the video. Here I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, you need to open a web browser. It can be Chrome or whatever you want you have. So in the description you can see the link of this website. Directly you can come to this website using that link. This is the home page of this CV template website. I know guys, in the Google you can see lot of website, but in the finally they need money to download the CV. In here you can use this your CV free. Let's go to make our CV. So here you can see choose CV template, and we are going to new tab. In here you can see premium one. We can't use this premium template, we can use this one. So here you can see we can change the color also. Here I'm going to select this one. Okay, now there's always some guidance, so I'm going to close, and here also. So in here you can see sample templates. After you add in your data set, you can change your template, so no need to worry about this. So in here this is the CV format. This is your CV. So here you can add your photo and your name. You want to, if you want to edit this, just you need to click here and you can type anything what you want. So in here you can see your contact details. You can add your contact here. Click this add contact line. You can add extra contact line. Okay, here now you can see experience. Here you have to fill your working experience. If you don't have working experience, you can close this one. Here I'm going to show you this. In here you can put your company name, and here this is the time duration. And if you want to add another experience, you can click this add work experience. So after that you have to add your education details, qualifications. So in here your course and the same like this. So in here time duration, here organization. Here if you want to add another qualification, you can add this add education. Okay, here this is the skill group. You can add your skills, and you can use the rate of your skill. Here if you want to add another skill group, you can use this tab. So here you can see add element. Here using this add element tab, you can add this lot of element. Here you can see project, course, referee, and work. So I'm going to add project, and I'm going to add the publications. So it's something like this. So here you want to edit this one, you need to click here and you can type whatever you want. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make another page. In here you can see there is add page tab. You need to only click here, you can add new page. So this is how we are going to make our CV. So now I'm going to show you how to download this one. Here you can see download PDF. Click here. Now preparing to download our CV. It will automatically download. Now you can see my CV is downloaded. Now I'm going to open my CV. Here, this is my CV. Using this method, you can freely make your professional CV. So if you have any doubt, put a comment and like the video. Don't forget to share this one. Subscribe my channel. Thank you all.